Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about iPhones, and more specifically I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a lot recently on my other video, and that is, how do you scan a QR code with your iPhone? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you two different ways that you can scan a QR code using your iPhone. But why would you want to scan a QR code with your iPhone? Well, that's pretty easy. A lot of restaurants these days don't have paper menus, so they make you scan a QR code to pull up the menu on your phone. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. And the first way that you can scan a QR code with your iPhone is with your camera app. This is the camera app that's already installed on your iPhone. It's nothing that you need to download. It's the gray background with a black camera. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay guys, once you do that, as you know, it's just going to open up your camera, and as if you're going to take a picture, instead of taking a picture, all you're going to do is just go ahead and scan the QR code with your iPhone. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay guys, I went ahead and scanned a QR code with my iPhone and I screenshotted it to show you what it's going to look like. So with your camera on your iPhone, if you're scanning a QR code, it's automatically going to read it and it's going to put these yellow brackets around it, and then it's going to give you the link. So what you're going to do is go ahead and just click on this yellow link right there, and then it will open up in Safari whatever the QR code was for. Let me switch back on over to my home screen. Okay, so that is the first way that you can scan a QR code using your iPhone. One thing I want to let you know is there are some QR codes that are app specific. For example, on the Cash app, if you try to scan that QR code, it will not open. You need to use the QR code scanner that's inside of that app. But generally speaking, you can use your camera to scan a QR code and it will open up the link or the app that it's supposed to. The second way that you can scan a QR code with your iPhone is with the iPhone QR code scanner. I've never really had to use that because whatever that scans, the camera can scan as well. And I can usually open up my camera quicker than the QR code scanner just because I'm used to opening up my camera. But let me show you how to set that up. Let me switch on over to my iPhone settings. Okay, so here is the iPhone settings, this gear gray wheel icon looking thing. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, once you open up your settings app on your iPhone, you can set up the QR code reader for your iPhone by scrolling down until you get to this section here called Control Center. It has a gray button next to it. Okay, so here in this section, you can go ahead and add what's called a code scanner. As you can see, I already have mine here. It looks like a little QR code. Let me go ahead and close it out and remove it. If yours is not here with a red dot next to it, then what you're going to want to do is look down here under more controls and then find code scanner and click the green button next to it. Now what happens is you have a QR code scanner on your iPhone set up in the control center. So now we're set up to go ahead and be able to scan QR codes with our iPhone. And how you do that is you just swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone as if you're opening the control center. Once you open up the control center, you just see the normal functions you have on an iPhone. But as you can see right here, I do have a QR code scanner. So you can click there instead of clicking on the camera function that we just went over. Let me go ahead and open up my QR code scanner. Okay, so once I've done that, it basically just opens up a camera, although it's called a code scanner. And then it's going to be the same thing. You're just going to want to scan the QR code and put the QR code in this like little white box that's set up. Once you do that, then it's going to be the same thing. It will open up a yellow link and you can click on it and it will open up the appropriate application, or it will open up Safari to that web page. If you happen to be scanning a QR code with your iPhone and it's dark out, you can turn on your flashlight to help read that QR code on your iPhone by clicking on this little button here down towards the bottom. So there you have it guys. If you're looking for information on how to scan a QR code using your iPhone, that's two ways that I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.